Hey people, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I am live in my kitchen on this fine Sunday morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's been a little bit of a crazy weekend. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. That's the most important thing. I thought I would pop on and show you how to make another fantastic frozen beverage that I'm sure you could use right now. I don't know if you guys are going out to buy your coffee drinks these days or if you're still making them at home. I highly recommend making your coffee drinks at home. Lauren, do you agree? Mm-hmm. I have gotten this girl addicted to coffee drinks at home, right?
Yes.
And I've gotten you to subscribe to the Hungry Girl Daily emails, right? Mm-hmm. Which you guys should if you don't. Let me know first, do you get the daily emails? And if you do, let me know what you like about them. If you comment during this live broadcast, you will have a chance to win prizes. I will tell you what I'm giving out today. And the way you win, again, is by commenting. So answer my questions. I'm gonna have some trivia questions, some true false questions. I'm just gonna ask random questions. I might say, what's your eye color? Who knows? But you could win Hungry Girl measuring spoons. There they are. Hello, look how pretty they are. Do. Pretty, all fashion colors that match my outfit. And today's drink is a matcha drink. So it is a mango matchachino freeze. So it's a frozen mango drink. So today's sign says a matcha made in heaven. If you like this, click hearts, show me that you love it, tell me that you love it, and you could win this. You could hang this in your kitchen, you could hang it in your office, your bathroom, your closet, wherever you choose to hang it, you can have it. This could be yours. I made this with a scratch pad that's probably meant for kids. It's like this black paper that comes with like a wooden stick, and you can make these. Isn't it cute? If you like it, again, send hearts, you could win it. So I'm giving that away. What else am I giving away? Oh, I'll give away a hat. Look, do you like this Hungry Girl hat? I'm gonna give away a Hungry Girl hat, Hungry Girl measuring spoons, and this artwork that I made with my own paws about an hour ago. There it is, it could be yours. But more importantly, we are here today not just to hear me yap. We are here today to watch me make another frozen beverage. There is nothing I like more than recreating coffee shop swaps. It's actually how I kind of got my start. I've been doing this since I was in college. I was always making crazy coffee drinks. Today's drink is going to use matcha. Now, do you know what matcha is? If you know what matcha is, raise your hand. If you're raising your hand right now, I can't see you. So type, I know what matcha is. If you know what matcha is, tell me. Do you see this? It says matcha green tea powder. Do you like matcha? If you like matcha, click hearts. Tell me you like matcha. Lauren, do you like matcha?
I like matcha, yes.
All right, here's the deal with matcha. I want to talk a little bit about it first. I don't want you to be bored and fall asleep, but basically, matcha is a type of green tea that is like the leaves of the green tea, instead of just being steeped, they are like turned into a powder. So it's pretty cool. So you whisk it or you melt it into a drink, and that's how you enjoy it. You don't use a tea bag for this. But matcha is the most powerful, incredible, healthy stuff. If you think you don't know what matcha is, or if you think you've never tried it, or you think you don't like it, I really kind of want to beg you to try it again and try to like it, because I'm going to tell you some things that matcha does. Matcha, first of all, has 137 times the amount of antioxidants of regular green tea. Is that incredible?
Yes.
Okay, 137 times. By the way, Lauren, are you tired today?
Yes.
Lauren has not slept. Unfortunately, she was up all night. So thank you for liking my nails, by the way. So matcha is loaded with antioxidants. It is great for energy. So if you're dragon and you have low energy, it's good for energy. It fights cancer because of all the antioxidants. It lowers cholesterol, believe it or not. It has anti-aging tendencies, literally anti-aging properties. And it can also relieve stress and anxiety. What can't matcha do? Can matcha drive me to the airport? Can it help me move if I'm changing locations? Probably, because matcha is magical. It also tastes really good. So if you like matcha, let me know. Anyone out there? Matcha is delicious.
Who's ever had it? What does it taste like?
Who has ever had it?
Gretchen.
You know, it tastes a little like green tea, but
Yeah.
like it's kind of mild flavor. I find that matcha works really well with like creamy flavors and fruity flavors. So today I'm doing both. I'm making something that is both creamy and fruity. And the way I like my matcha powder is in a packet like this. It's pre-measured. So I get mine at Trader Joe's. Hearts if you like Trader Joe's. Yes. Okay, thank you for liking my shirt. I'm wearing this shirt because I thought it looked like mango matcha. I really try to color coordinate, yeah.
Rhonda says since you've been making coffee drinks, she stopped going to Starbucks, saving money and calories.
I am proud of Rhonda, who is saving money and calories by making the drinks that I make at home. So this is my matcha powder. I'm gonna put the recipe up so you can see exactly what to use if you don't have a pen and you don't want to write it down. But this is one packet, which usually is about a teaspoon of matcha. And, oh, look at I made a mess already on my counter. Oy, oy, oy. What is happening? Now there's green powder everywhere. All right, there's my matcha. To this, I'm gonna add another ingredient that you see me use a lot. If you don't have it, don't worry. You could even leave it out of the recipe. This is fat-free French vanilla coffee mate powder, or if you wanna use a different creamer, you could do that. I like the powdered creamer because a little goes a long way, and I'm using 2 teaspoons, which only adds 20 calories to this drink. By the way, this drink is gonna have about 100 calories, so a little less actually. So we've got the 2 tablespoons. If you'd rather use something vegan, I love a product called Laird's, L-A-I-R-D-S. It's a coconut creamer. It's phenomenal. You could use that as well. But this adds nice vanilla and a little bit of creaminess to the beverage. Okay, now we've got, where's my sweetener packet? Here it is. This is a packet of Truvia. You could use your sweetener of choice. I love Swerve. If you want to use a monk fruit packet, whatever you like, whatever floats your sweetener boat, you can use, okay? You following? So I've got in here sweetener, creamer, matcha. There's my glass. It looks good, right? Look at that, it's a close-up, huh?
Jamie says, I don't like straight green tea, but it's amazing in sweet and creamy drinks like this.
It is, it's true. Sometimes people think the flavor of green tea is just a little strong. So quite honestly, if you make it taste like fruity or creamy, it's fantastic. Okay, so here's another great ingredient that goes into this drink that makes it a little bit different, a little special, and also doesn't add a lot of calories. Because to be honest, I started looking online. I thought this was something, hey, has anyone created a matcha, mango kind of drink? And I looked online and there are drinks with bazillions of calories. There are drinks that have honey and orange juice and loaded with sugar and lots of creamy ingredients. I don't play that game, honestly. So this is something that I use as a little trick, cheat ingredient. There are these drink mix packets, and you'll notice it's a running theme if you watch my beverage recipes and my cocktail recipes. So for this, I'm gonna say today, I am gonna use a peach packet, so it's gonna be a peach mango flavor. But when you look up this recipe, you could really mix and match any of the flavors. So you could use, this is like a mango pineapple drink mix. This is a straight up pineapple drink mix. This is a cherry drink mix. You could use a strawberry drink mix. Whatever flavor you love, you can use for this recipe and it'll work. But you're gonna use a half a packet. What's going on out there? What are you doing on this fine Sunday? So we're gonna add a half a packet. It'll add fruity flavor and sweetness with not a lot of calories because these are sugar-free. Okay, that's all the ingredients that need to be dissolved. Now, we're gonna take 2 ounces of very hot water and mix, mix, mix. I have Instant Hot. People are always asking, what kind of water do you use? I have Instant Hot in my sink. And we're gonna take 2 ounces of it. Okay, this is approximately 2 ounces. I feel like I have matcha powder all over my counter. I am a slob. Right? Who else is a slob out there? If you're a slob, let me know. Okay, by the way, I have a question. Where do you think the word matcha originated from? Do you think it is a word that is a Japanese word? Is it a Chinese word? What do you think? Is it an English word? An American word? Where is it from? Answer, and you could win. Oh, wow, this smells peachy. This smells so yum. Okay, now, so we have this, we have 2 ounces, everything is dissolved. Now I'm gonna add 2 more ounces of cold water or room temp water. It doesn't have to be freezing, just not hot. And the reason why we do this is because we really don't want, when we get this in the blender with the ice, we don't want this to be too hot because then it'll just melt the ice. and you may get a drink that doesn't have the texture that you want. So this is a better choice. Now we're gonna take our blender or magic bullet. I use a magic bullet, right here it is. It's the best. I put this in the blender. Any questions out there so far? Lauren, what's going on with the peanut gallery?
People are guessing. Lots of people are saying Japan. Oh, they're going back and forth. They're saying both.
It's actually a Chinese word, which I just learned a little while ago. I thought it was a Japanese word, but it's not. Okay. What's going on?
Bam, sorry.
There's a puppy who's trying to break free and drink my matcha. Now we're gonna take the milk portion of the beverage and add it to the blender. The milk that I like to use, and this is a half cup, it's unsweetened vanilla almond breeze. This, you may notice, is the milk that I usually use in all my recipes. Why? Because it's creamy, it tastes like vanilla, it's not sweet. I like to bring the sweet myself, not because I'm sweet, but because I use smart ingredients. And it has 30 calories for 8 ounces. Come on, how do you beat that? You really don't. It's just too good to be true. So we have that. And now, of course, another key ingredient, frozen mango chunks. As I was saying earlier, you really could do this with other fruits. So if you had pineapple or strawberries, it would work fine. But or frozen, even like a half of a frozen banana would be great. But these mango chunks are incredible. And I will say this, frozen mango adds better texture probably than any other fruit, in my opinion, as far as straight up texture. So we want to put 3/4 of a cup of this frozen mango in here.
It's Carrie's birthday.
Karen?
Carrie.
Carrie?
Yeah.
Carrie or Carrie, it's your birthday. Happy birthday. Bam Bam says happy birthday. Okay, this is 3/4 of a cup of frozen mango. Woohoo! Going in there. And we want to add a cup of ice. As you know, I love crushed ice. I have the good pellet ice, like you get, I have an ice machine that makes this fancy ice, but you can get it at Sonic or whatever, but you could use crushed ice or you could use your own ice cubes, a cup's worth of ice. Are you following? Are you people following? Oh, guess what I don't have? Hold on. I'll be right back with something important.
Love your hat. How can I win one?
How can you win? You can win the hat. You can win. I'm back. Did you think I left? I didn't. You can win the hat to get a glass. You can win the hat by just commenting, answering all my questions, saying hi to Gina and Jamie and Lauren, or telling me that you think my recipes are delicious, or just answer the trivia questions, or say, hey, I want to win something, like please give me something. Okay, so in this blender, I just added the ice, I added the frozen mango, add to the rest of the ingredients. I'll recap after. And now I'm going to blend this up. Are you ready? I want you to see where it says NutriBullet, okay? Look at that. It's gorgeous. Is it a smoothie? Kinda. They don't even make something like this at Starbucks. This is why I was saying that it was in Starbucks jealous, because this is a pretty clever invention. Okay. So you want to blend it for like 45 seconds to a minute, and you want to just look at, ooh, that texture is just beautiful. So look at that. It is like icy, creamy, gorgeous. Yum, yum, yum. And of course I'm gonna add today's whipped cream. I always have different types of whipped cream. I have fat-free Ready Whip. This has 5 calories a serving, but you could use the whipped topping of choice. And this is gonna have just about 100 calories. So I'm gonna try this and I'll describe the flavor to you. All right, so the matcha itself is a little bit of a smooth green tea flavor. There's a little hint of vanilla. The mango adds delicious flavor and texture. And then this peach, this is my favorite flavor to use. This straight up peach, not peach tea, but straight up peach Weiler's drink mix. It adds a little bit of like tartness and tanginess, which I think is important because a lot of times smoothies are just like flat sweet, and I don't like it, it's boring. This adds personality. So again, the ingredients in this drink, it's a half a drink mix packet, it's a sweetener packet, 2 teaspoons of this stuff, this Coffee Mate, which is yum, yum, yum. Matcha, 1 teaspoon or a Trader Joe's packet. And then 4 ounces of almond milk, a little bit of water, ice. You could find the recipe. You want to know where? You can find it at hungry-girl.com/live. All of my live recipes are there. Also, you should just sign up for daily emails because you'll be getting recipes like they're going out of style, which they are not, but there's tons of recipes. Any other questions coming in? It really matches me. This totally matches my shirt. Are you guys proud of me? This matches. I love it. All right, I have one more trivia question. Are you ready? Let me find it. Okay, I have 2 more actually. They're about mango. Well, okay, one is about mango. All right, they say mango is used to cure something that is a very common problem with people. What do they say mango is a good cure for? I will drink more while you answer. But mango, mango is the most popular fruit in the world. It's the most eaten fruit in the entire world. Did you know that?
I didn't.
You thought it was bananas, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think bananas may be number 2.
The recipe
I love this.
linked from Jamie.
Okay, Jamie has linked the recipe. Do you know, is anybody guessing what mango is good for? I don't know. All right, I'm just gonna tell you. Mango supposedly cures insomnia. So it makes you sleepy. So I'm not saying, you could drink this before you go to bed. I've never noticed that when I eat mango, I get sleepy, but apparently it cures insomnia. So if you need to relax before bed, I don't know if this is the perfect drink because green tea does contain caffeine. Matcha has caffeine. So I'm not saying, maybe they just counteract each other, but green tea gives you energy. And if the mango puts you to sleep, I don't know where that leaves you. I don't even know. All right, guys, I hope you love this drink. If you want it again, remember go hungry-girl.com/live. While you're there at Hungry Girl, you should sign up for the daily emails. Keep commenting because the more you comment, the more you say, hey ho, give me a hat, or I want to win this. We will possibly choose you to win a prize. Today's prizes are this hat, this sign, and the very fancy multi-purpose Hungry Girl measuring spoons. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. You guys are the best. I absolutely love, love, love you. I will be back very soon with more recipes from this very kitchen. I am Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew and sip the right thing.